Do you want me to adopt you, or don't you? Do you want me to adopt you, or don't you?
Do you want me to betray our people? Do you want me to betray our people?
Well, do you want me to call a doctor?
No.
Well, do you want me to call a doctor?
No.
Do you want me to call my mom?
No.
Do you want me to call my mom?
No.
Do you want me to cancel lunch today? Do you want me to cancel lunch today?
Do you want me to challenge him to a duel? Do you want me to challenge him to a duel?
Do you want me to close it? Do you want me to close it? Do you want me to come down there? Do you want me to come down there?
You want me to come in with you? You want me to come in with you?
Do you want me to come with you?
Okay.
Go! Do you want me to come with you?
Okay.
Go!
Do you want me to drive you? Do you want me to drive you?
You want me to explain? You want me to explain?
Do you want me to get you anything? Do you want me to get you anything?
Do you want me to go get them and bring them over here? Do you want me to go get them and bring them over here?
No. You want me to guess? No. You want me to guess?
Do you want me to keep anything for you? Do you want me to keep anything for you?
Do you want me to keep eating it? Do you want me to keep eating it?
Do you want me to leave him a message? Do you want me to leave him a message?
Do you want me to lie to you? Do you want me to lie to you?
Do you want me to lose everything?
No.
Do you want me to lose everything?
No.
Do you want me to lose him? Because I will. Do you want me to lose him? Because I will.
Do you want me to stay with you till you fall asleep? Do you want me to stay with you till you fall asleep?
Do you want me to stop him? Do you want me to stop him?
Do you want me to stop? Do you want me to stop?
Do you want me to talk to him? Do you want me to talk to him?
Do you want me to tell you what I did? Do you want me to tell you what I did?
Do you want me to tell you? Do you want me to tell you?
Go where, Joyce? Where do you want me to go? Go where, Joyce? Where do you want me to go?
Do you want me to just go get him? Do you want me to just go get him?
You want me to call the plumber from Abundant Life? You want me to call the plumber from Abundant Life?
In Guinea. Why do you want me to go to Guinea? In Guinea. Why do you want me to go to Guinea?
Is everyone all right? Do you want me to call for help?
Oh, no, no.
Is everyone all right? Do you want me to call for help?
Oh, no, no.
So, do you want me to keep talking, or are you gonna say something eventually? So, do you want me to keep talking, or are you gonna say something eventually?
Sully, do you want me to come be with you? Sully, do you want me to come be with you?
Tommy will come, but
Do you want me to come?
Tommy will come, but
Do you want me to come?
What do you want me to confess? What do you want me to confess?
What do you want me to do about it? What do you want me to do about it?
What do you want me to do because of that? What do you want me to do because of that?
What do you want me to do first? What do you want me to do first?
What do you want me to do with that? What do you want me to do with that?
What do you want me to do with this? What do you want me to do with this?
Okay, what do you want me to do? Okay, what do you want me to do?
What do you want me to say? What do you want me to say? What do you want me to sign? Pardon me? What do you want me to sign? Pardon me?
Well, what do you want me to tell her, boss? Well, what do you want me to tell her, boss?
What do you want me to tell him? What do you want me to tell him?
What more do you want me to do? Hit him for you? What more do you want me to do? Hit him for you?
Where do you want me to deliver it? Where do you want me to deliver it?
Where do you want me to put it?
I don't care.
Where do you want me to put it?
I don't care.
Where do you want me to put this?
Where do you want me to put this?